guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we have completed some of the home tab options in MS Word. So in this video, we are covering two more options which are very important in MS Word. So in the last video, we have covered clipboard, font, paragraph. So in paragraph, we have missed some of the options that are shading, sort, borders, and also we are covering in this video find and replace. So let's start from the shading. Shading means sometimes if you want to give a color, you want to shade a color to a particular content, we can give this. Let's select this content here. So go here and click on here, choose a color, which color you want to give as a background. I am giving this color. Hope you are observing these changes. Okay, this is how a shading color. Not only this color, you can choose any one color. This is shading. And also there is very important called the borders. Borders means if you want to give a borders to a particular content. Let us take that I want to give for this parts of computer borders. I am selecting this content, I'm clicking on the border here, I'm giving this. If I click on all borders, so it will be like this as a table. Let's suppose I don't want to give all the borders, I am giving only outside borders, it will be like this. So I am choosing only all the borders is suiting nice for this, and this is how the borders will work. So not only this, you can choose this also and give all the borders. So this is how it will work. And very important options we have here, sort. Let us here, sort means you already know sorting, ascending order and descending order. You already know, right? A to Z, Z to A, 1 to 9, 9 to 1, like that. So we have an option called sort in MS Word. So let us try here. I'm selecting this, all the options. I'm clicking on here. Once you click on here, you have your right side corner. There is option ascending order and descending order. If I am changing as a descending order, so automatically it starts from Z. If I am selecting from the ascending order, it starts from A. This is how it will work. This is very important in MS Word. Sometimes what will happen, so you have maintained the data, but the data is not alphabetical wise. Sometimes you added data and later on you got to know that you have to change. So at that time, no need to remove and no need to write from the beginning. So at the time, we have an option called sort, sorting A to Z, Z to A. Okay, so this is how the sort will work. And now we have a very important option called find and replace. Find means to find out a date, to find out a content, to find out a word of the content what you have right now. Let's take, I have a content here. So I want to find out variables. Let's imagine I want to find out the variables here. So now I have less content, I can see that I can find out where is variables. Sometimes what will happen, you have a huge data and we are not able to find out this particular word where we are. At that time we are using find. So how find will work, let's try now. Select the content, click on find. So automatically when you click on the find, your left side one navigation will open. There you can type what you want to find out. Let's click. Once the variable is selected, automatically the find out which word you want to find out, that will be in yellow color. This is how find out. Not only variables, you can find out different one. I am find outing calculating. Type there calculating. So now, so let us try calculating. So what is the word here? And I'm find outing this word. I am copy here and paste there. So let's check. So are you observing this is in yellow color? This is how it will work. This is find out. And then what is a replace? Replace means replacing a word. Let's suppose I have find out a calculating. I can replace that with a different word. So how we have to replace? Very simple. So click on replace. So now you can find out the word what you want to find out. I am calculating. That calculating I am replacing with a different one. I am writing there computer. Okay. So and if you replace all means we have only one. Just click here. All done. We made one replacement. Okay. So when you close here, now you can observe. So we had calculating before, now it has been replaced as a computer. This is how will work find and replace here, and this is very important in MS Word. Okay, so in this video we have learned shading, borders, and sorting, and find and replace. So this is all about and today's class, and thank you so much guys for your patience, and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.